Hello, welcome back. Miserable day today. Well, this week and last week and probably next week. What we're going to be doing today, we are going to be doing this wall here. We've just dug a bit out and we're going to be rendering the back of it. I might just try and do like some kind of stone effect or something. Might be quicker that way than trying to get it flat. Right, let's have a look. So this is it, look. Dug out bottom and then it's got to go just on bottom of here, then it'll be getting backfilled, so you're probably only going to see 100 mil of it. They've just been digging it out. I need to get some SBR up back of it. I'll mix a bit of sharp sand and cement in with it as well, so it gives it a good key, and then we'll go from there. So we can make this look good. Still not pointed up yet. Got all these flags to point up. I just need I need a week really, because all the way around back and get all this pointing done and dusted, because at some point we're going to be doing this drive. She's going to have it block paved. She's going to have it tarmac, but we're going to pave it in block paving, so that's going to be a big job. So keep us in work. I've concreted this. There's a pillar to take right back of there, take it down because all other pillars have gone. One of these stone pillars, look, we're going to build that up there as well. So let's crack on with this today. I've got a bit of water, splash of SBR, cement, and then a bit of sharp sand. There we go. Fix radio on today. Right, that should do it. Gonna mix some. That should do us. Right, I've got my mix on. So this time I've ever done all that, it's like trying to make it, you know, look like stone-ish. But you're not really going to see much of it, so even if I do a bad job, it don't really matter. Sure, I can make it look half decent, surely. It started raining and all that. I'm just trying to put it on rough, not smooth. Just make it look a bit rough. I just hope it don't rain so much. Oh God. Oh, I've got it on. Just my luck, it's raining, but I'm going to have some dinner. See what it looks like in a bit. Right, it's had quite a few hours to thingy. I've been doing something else. It's not drying, it's 3:30. I think it's like we've been wet, you know, in air. But it is warm, so do I take the risk tomorrow morning? I think I'm going to risk it for tomorrow morning, so hopefully it'll scrap down and it ain't gone solid. Right, I'm going to take the risk. Pack up and go home. Sort it out in the morning. Right, wish me luck. Right, it's the next morning. I think it's good enough to do now, so it's gone off enough to scrap it. So let's give it a go, see what I can do, see if I can make this look a bit better than what it does now. Probably go for a middle split. That actually looks alright. I'll carry on. Looks quite nice, doesn't it? Pretty easy to do that actually. I just slapped it on and then carved it in. Got all the way around it now, look. That's not bad for the first attempt. It should dry sort of lighter, sort of that colour, so it looks really dark at the minute like cement, but eventually it should dry a bit better, probably this colour here. So we'll see. Right, what I'm going to do is I'm going to get this sponge, I'm just going to rub over it and then it'll get rid of all this all these rubbishy bits here, and then it'll make it look like real stone hopefully. Right, it's getting warm now. So it's going to be warm today again. It's warm but it's just wet all the time. So I think it's 13 degrees later on, so I think it was just moisture in air that made it not set properly yesterday. I'm glad I left it though. Does that look any better? I think it does, doesn't it? I think that looks cool. Oh my god! Tell you what, that's the toughest part of the job, that is. Started off with a t-shirt, two jumpers and a coat, and ended up and an hat. Ended up with a t-shirt on. Wow. Just gonna brush all these out at joints and clean joints up. Might be better letting it go off 10 minutes first really, and just brush it out when it's dry. So I've pretty much gone all the way around. I just got the trowel in there and just made it a bit deeper and brushed it out just so it looked a bit more, so you could see it a bit more. That's pretty much it, all the way along. Cool. I'll say it's had a few days. Sun came out the other day and it went really white, so it is a bit white really. It'd been nice to put some colour in it or something like that, but yeah, not bad. So that's it. Stay tuned. I'll be doing something else next week, God knows what, but we'll be back doing something. See you later.